Hey, it's Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're gonna check out how even you can download the first public beta of iOS 15. So without further ado, let's roll the video. So in order to download and install public beta version of iOS 15, you need to go onto Safari and search for a site called beta.apple.com. Once searched, just scroll down until you see the button that says sign up. To sign up, you need to add your Apple ID and password to get things started. Just after you have signed up, an agreement will pop up on your screen to which you need to tap accept. On the next page, you'll be shown with the list of OS whose public beta are now available to download. But since you need to download and install iOS 15 public beta, just scroll down and tap Enroll Device. When you're on this page, just go down and tap Download Profile, and as a result, a confirmation message will pop up on the screen. Hit Allow and you're all done. So in order to check and install the update on your iPhone, you can do that by going into Settings. Click on Profile Downloaded. If the public beta profile has been downloaded, it will show up here. Lastly, tap Install to install the profile. Finally, to install the update, go to General, tap on Software Update. Once the profile has been downloaded and installed, the update of iOS 15 public beta will show up here. Now, all you have to do is just install the update to start experiencing iOS 15 on your iPhone. So with that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.